Do you want to enhance your privacy during FaceTime calls by restricting incoming calls to only those in your contacts? This feature helps ensure that you only receive calls from people you know, minimizing unwanted interruptions. This guide will provide you with 100% effective steps to set up FaceTime to allow calls from contacts only. Let's get started. Solution 1. Enable FaceTime and check settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down, tap Apps, scroll down and tap on FaceTime. Ensure that FaceTime is turned on by toggling the switch to the green position. Scroll down, tap Silence Unknown Callers. Turn this feature on. This will only allow us to notify about the saved contact, and for unknown caller, this will silence their call your iPhone. Solution 2. Block unknown callers. Open the Settings app, scroll down, tap Apps, scroll down, and tap on FaceTime. Look for the Blocked Contacts section and tap on it. Add unknown numbers or contacts that you want to block by tapping on Add New. By following these steps, you can successfully allow FaceTime calls from contacts only, enhancing your privacy and control over incoming calls. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks, and stay tuned for the next video.